Dan Simon from Dan Simon's YouTube channel, Dan Simon, and this is the Hogue Creek fishing area where they do stock trout. So there's some views of it. Now that way, the stream actually does cross over 50. I'll show you the other way here soon. This is more of the stream from down there. I will walk up that way a little bit, show you another angle from there. You can see the bridge and then fishing and more of the bridge. A little bit more the bridge and over that way. Pretty neat old thing here, Hogue Creek. Now you can see how it flows down in here. Now I'm over here and show you. Sure, this creek flows in there. Back that way is a field. Little known fact: if you need some cell phone coverage area, come right here. You get your cell phone coverage area. If you're on 4G. Now that's going to be interesting to see. Yep, this is the Hogue Creek fishing area. Bridge is there, you can see it. And there's the rest of the stream down through there. See a couple old farms in the background. That's pretty much it. See y'all guys later. Bye. Maybe I'll find something else. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Hogue Creek fishing spot, trout. See y'all later.